I chose to study at Dudley College because I went to an open day and I met some staff members and I saw the building and the animals and some students that were just purely enjoying themselves. So I was looking at the BTECs and I went to Dudley and I just felt so welcomed there, and I felt like I could really make a person of myself there. My favourite thing about studying at Dudley College is the hands-on element and the experiences that you'll get that I don't think you'll get anywhere else, at least not to the extent that we did. So very recently, I went on a trip to Africa, which was provided by Dudley College and an external company, and it was the best 2 weeks of my life, and there's nothing else that will compare to living in a camp like that. We got our qualifications. It was a real hands-on experience of living in Africa as a ranger and looking at the tracking signs. It's just, there's another side of education which is much more hands-on than you have with exam work, and I didn't know that until I came here. I didn't know that was an option. I've had such an incredible journey at Dudley College so far, and that's for a variety of reasons, but the main reason is the people I've met along the way. The course is incredible, but the thing that makes the course is the people that teach it to you and the people you meet there. Dudley College has helped me specifically overcome my social anxiety by providing me with support that just really helped me out in difficult times. When I was in secondary school, I found it very difficult to walk anywhere on my own. I couldn't go into a classroom if the lesson had already started, and I really struggled to go anywhere without people surrounding me. I felt like as soon as I was on my own, the spotlight was on me and all eyes were turned to me, and it was a horrible feeling. And now, even after a year of Dudley College, I remember walking by myself through the college and thinking, I can actually do this and not feel uncomfortable. My next steps after Dudley College have kind of already been set in stone. I took an exam and I got into my dream course at my dream university, doing marine biology at Aberystwyth University. And doing that exam the college hosted it for us, they did not have to. So we took the exam and I got an unconditional offer. So I'm definitely going now. I've got my spot. I've wanted to do marine biology since I learned what it was. I've got a distinct memory of my granddad, who has since passed. I was sat on the carpet in front of him and he was watching a marine documentary. And I remember thinking, I'd really love to do that. And I looked into it and I researched it and I've put my choices in place so I could get there. And the college has really helped me reach that ultimate goal, and now I am going to university in September.